Hey friends, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach.
Hello,
Although
everyone.
right now we are driving the Chevy Tahoe, which is why it doesn't look like a marathon behind us. We're heading south, so we left Michigan yesterday and we're taking our time getting down to Florida. We're in Georgia, right?
Yeah,
We're in Georgia.
Just about to Atlanta.
Yeah. And so we're heading down for the season, and we're planning on spending a lot of time at Port St. Lucie along with a couple of the other shows. So that's where we're heading now. And we sure hope you guys all had a good Christmas. Ours was very nice. It was smooth and kind of on the quiet side, but that's the way things go in Michigan
That's the way we
sometimes.
like it.
Yeah. So what else is coming up? Anything else you can think of?
Well, of course, we got our first event at Port St. Lucie, I think the weekend of the 8th, correct?
Yes,
So,
8th and 9th.
8th
I
and
think
9th.
the Saturday is the 9th, so I think that's the big day. But we'll have coaches there, so if that's something that you might like to see, just let us know.
We hope to have a couple, for sure, one new and maybe two.
Yeah,
We're not sure yet, so, and a pre-owned.
yeah. So it should be a good show. We're looking forward to it. We're looking forward to getting back in and getting out there traveling around Florida like we did last year.
Yeah. And keep in mind, there's a lot of shows coming up, the Super Show, and then, of course, in February, the Prevost Stuff Show. And if you haven't reserved your spot for that yet, I'm not sure if Jamie has any spots left, but make sure you get a hold of him and get your spot in the campgrounds.
Yeah. And if you need any help with that, reach out to us. We'll help you out with
Yeah.
that. So.
Yeah, and
Right.
keep in mind, still have a lot of great inventory. Have some nice new coaches on the ground that can be bought immediately. So if you're in the market for a new coach, feel free to reach out to either Dawn or I. And keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. And we hope to see you all soon.